Hey guys, it's Elaine, the Ninja Life Coach, and welcome to my channel today. Today, I'm going to be doing a wig unboxing from Eva Hair. So sit back, grab yourselves a cup of coffee. I'll be right back. Hey everybody, I'm back. I do have on the Artistic Pink from Eva Hair that I did a wig unboxing on about 3 or 4 weeks ago. And I just decided to plop her on my head today because I just simply like this wig. I'm going to be indoors most of the day today, and it is like 93 degrees outside. So she is a heavier density wig, so I don't really wear when it's really hot. But since I'm going to be indoors most of the day, I figured I'd just give her a whirl. And plus, since I'm reviewing another Eva Hair wig, I thought, why not? Okay, so to the best of my remembrance, in this package right here is a white wavy. I'm trying to read this and I keep getting messages on my phone. Wouldn't you know that'd be the way it would be when you're trying to make a video? Okay, so to the best of my ability and to the best of my knowledge, in this box is a package from Eva Hair, which is a white wavy lace front synthetic wig. It's on their website right now. And she is just a cool little wig, if this is the one that I'm thinking of. I believe this is it because Livia with Eva Hair let me pick out which wig that I wanted to do a review on. And I chose this one because I've wanted to have another platinum wig that had a little bit of length to it. And this one is about a shoulder length wig. So here we go. Now, if I open this up and it's some kind of a different wig and it's purple or orange or something, bear with me. I've slept since then. So let's get this open. This came in the mail yesterday, and I have been actually dying to get in here, so I couldn't wait another day. So I'm like, okay, I'm opening this package. So here we go. Okay, so here is the box. Let's open it up, see what's in here. Here she is. My goodness. Let's look at the swag first. She comes with a little wig cap, and I don't know why I get so excited about these wig caps. I think it's because I'm always losing mine, so another one I can always use. Okay, she is white. She comes with a little hairnet around her. Let's see how I can get into this thing. Man, they've got her in here. I'm not kidding. Okay, here we go. Let's get rid of this. And let's get rid of this. Okay, she is a lace front wig. And my goodness, her hair feels really soft. I really like the looks of this wig. Let me give her a little shake. Get all these synthetic fibers loosened up a little bit. And let's look at the inside of this wig. She has the basic wig cap. She has the combs on each side and one at the back. And she has the adjustable straps on the back. So I'm going to pop her on my head. I'm going to take off Artistic Pink. And I'm going to go with Wavy Bob White. And we'll just see how this looks. Be right back. Okay, everybody. I'm back. And as you can see, I still have the lace front. I haven't cut it. I haven't done anything to it. This is right out of the box. I have done absolutely nothing to this wig except shake her out. I really like this wig. I like the curl. I like the looks of the wig. Her hair is very soft. She feels really good. She is a heavy density wig. She's 150% wig. So she's going to be a little heavier wig than, you know, something that's, you know, a more lightweight, low density wig. But you know what? I really like the looks of this wig. I love this color. I love the fact that there's not any yellow in this white. It's pure white. I really like this wig. So let me give you guys a look all the way around at this wig. I really, really like this wig. She's just as cute as can be. So let me go style her just a bit and I'll be right back. Okay, so here I am after I've cut the lace frontal off, and I've just kind of pulled the front back in a little clip. And this is normally not something that I would do. I normally don't wear my hair back from my head, but you know, with this wig, I think it looks great. It gives me a little bit of a bump right here in front, and I really like this wig styled this way. The lace extends all the way over to the ears. I don't have that, I didn't glue it down. I didn't use It Stays or glue or Got To Be or any of that kind of stuff. I just kind of popped it on my head and started styling it. I have never glued a wig to my head, and I want to do that, and I'll do that on camera. I'm getting ready to order some of that It Stays, and I want to do that with you guys so that we can kind of, you know, learn on that together. But all in all, this wig is really cool. Let me twist around here so you all can see. I really like this wig. I will definitely be wearing this wig this fall for sure when it gets a little bit cooler outside. With it being a heavy density wig and it being so hot here, I would wear her when I knew I was going to be indoors. I'm going to actually wear this wig to work a few times because I just love this wig. I think this wig would be perfect even for daily wear. I think this wig could take you from the office and to the evening, and I think that even if you wanted to wear this wig in a cosplay situation, you could, because it's a very, very versatile wig. And I'm actually thinking I may do a kind of a different type of makeup look, and I may wear this wig. I'm going to go online and look for some inspirations of things to do for these types of wigs, for the white wigs, the white longer wigs. And I'm thinking I may do a tutorial on this wig because I really like this wig a lot. Now, if you don't want to wear it back from your head, you can always, you know, pull it over to the side and go back to the side part, or you can wear it straight back, however you feel most comfortable with. This right here, the lace front extends to back to about right here. So you can, you know, you can kind of part this wherever you want it to go. If you have a smaller head, this wig is going to be just a little bit big. If you have an average to a larger size head, you should be able to wear this wig without any problem whatsoever. It's going to be a little bit of a challenge for me to wear this wig just simply because my head is so small. But there are a ton of good tutorials online about how to size your wig. And I will probably not go in and remove any of the wefts. I might remove a couple of wefts in the back, thin it out just a little bit. But gosh, I can't believe, this is a great little wig. I love this wig. She feels good. Her hair just feels really good. And I really like this style. I like wearing it back from my head. I didn't think I would. I normally never wear my hair like this. I normally always cover up my forehead because I've got a really high forehead. But you know what? I really like this wig. I really like it worn just like this. So I think I can work with that larger wig cap. I really believe I can. I even think that if I wanted to do this to my hair and wear a head wrap, I think that would look just fine too. I actually think it makes me look kind of smart. It kind of makes me feel like, I don't know, a sexy college professor or something like that. So let's look at it one last time all the way around. I will definitely be wearing this wig for some of my videos for Motivational Mondays. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. I have sure enjoyed unboxing this wig. She is just great. This is a wonderful little wigs from Eva Hair. Livia, thank you so much for sending her on to me. I really appreciate the opportunity to review these wigs. When you get an opportunity, visit my website, Ninja Life Coaching, and check out my book, Lord, Am I Going Crazy? It's a 30-day devotional guide for women over 40. I will be sure to drop a link down in the description box to everything that I've used on the wig. I used a wig spray, and I've used that John Renault Peace Out, and I'll be sure to drop a link to everything. It's all in my Amazon storefront, but I'll drop a link down here so y'all can take a look at that. You guys have a great day today. God bless you. Maranatha.